Okay, hi, hello. So what we are going to do today is we are going to go through a demonstration for how the PAYS application works for vape stores. So once you log into the PAYS application, you are going to see this screen right in front of you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the retail button. So once I do that, I'm presented with a bunch of different categories. I'm going to click on these categories really fast so you can see what this looks like. This is where you'd be able to view your items. Now let's try a test transaction. I am going to click on disposable vapes and I'm going to add some items to the cart. On the left side of my screen, you can see the items in the cart. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on the pay button right at the bottom side of the screen. And this is what the payment interface looks like. You are able to split your payment in a different number of ways. You can come back to full payment and you can choose which option you would like to go with. For this demonstration, I'm going to go with the cash payment option. I'm going to click on the cash button right here. There we go. That's how you process a transaction, and the system is going to give you a prompt to either email your receipt or text your receipt as well. Let's click on the home button once again. Now let's say that I want to scan an item and I want to connect a scan gun. What I can do is I can click on the three left lines on the top left side of my screen. And once I do that, right next to the menu icon, you can see the Wi-Fi symbol. And right next to the Wi-Fi symbol, I have this green button that I'm highlighting over here. I'm going to click on this button and let's turn this off for a moment. Let's say you have a scan gun connected in with a USB, like I have right now right next to me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this switch right here, and it is that simple to connect the scan gun. Let's go back to the ordering menu. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to scan a random barcode. There we go. And once I do that, I am able to add an item for creation. So let's just name this test item. There we go. That's how you can scan items to create them through the barcode as well. The system also has the capability of having items added through a web application that we will be showing you in just some time. Let's now take a look at the menu for the system. But before we do that, let's also take a look at the discounting feature. To add a discount for your item, all you have to do is click on this orange icon right next to the addition icon. And over here, you can add discounts, preset discounts as well. And if you want to add a discount for the entire order, what you can do is click on the three dots on the top side of your screen. And that's how you'd be able to add a discount for the entire order as well. Now let's take a look at the menu for the system. I'm going to click on the three left lines once again, and we're going to go through all of this together. On business setup is where you can edit all of your business details, and this can be done through the POS or the back office. You can have taxes created for the system through this part of the menu as well. You can create discount presets through here and order notes as well. PAYS POS also offers a loyalty program that you are able to create through this part of the POS as well. Let's click on receipt settings. When I click on customer receipts, I can edit all of my receipts right through this functionality over here. I can click on these switches and I can have this edited out to whatever preference that I would like right through this part of the screen as well. I'm going to click on the save button to save any changes that I make. There we go. Now let's take a look at the reports tab. Over here, you can see three different types of reports. This would be your sales report, your end of the day report, and your employee tips. You're able to view this information in extensive detail on the back office. Now let's click on transactions. This is going to show you all your transactions for the day. So let's click on the most recent one. If I wanted to do a refund, all I would do is click on the refund button, click on OK, and the system is going to give me a prompt for the items that I would like to refund. I can select them and hit the refund button. And that's how you process a refund. Now let's take a look at the other parts of the system. On the employees tab is where you can view all of the employee information and assign them certain access depending on what you would like or how your operational flow works. You can give certain employees certain features to help them use the POS system better. It really depends on how you would like it programmed. Let's take a look at the inventory now. Over here is where you can make all modifications to your inventory on your system, including your categories and your modifiers. For example, let's click on the ELF bar that I see in front of my screen. This is how you can edit the categories, taxes, and modifiers for this item. Now let's take a look at the printer tab. This demonstration is being done on a Landy C20 Pro, but for example, if I wanted to add another printer, all I would have to do is click on this plus icon, and that's how I would be able to do that. Now let's take a look at the cash log. This is where you can see how much cash has come in and how much cash has come out, and this is also where you'd be able to open your cash drawer. Another feature I want to show you is the customer feature. So for recurring customers, you are able to have their information saved just like I have over here. You can even choose to enroll them into the loyalty program, see their order history as well, and even have their cards saved here for a faster checkout. The system also has the ability to do digital and physical gift cards. You can create those gift cards right through this part of the system. The final feature I want to show you is how you switch theme from light theme to dark theme, and the system has the ability to speak multiple languages, just like the ones that we can see here. I'm going to select Korean for this example. There you go. That's how you change the language of the system. Now let's go back to English. And there you go. That is the end of the demonstration. Thank you for watching.